Hi, this is the full conceal perspective. Regarding the question about what are the parts made out of, the M3D and M3S pistols have parts made from steel and aluminum. So the steel parts on this gun are the main hinge mechanism here that's attached to the factory steel pin here. Also, all these pins are steel, along with the front trigger guards here. These two front trigger guards are steel. The aluminum parts are the trigger shoe, the lower part of the trigger guard, and the latch. This is also aluminum back here. The front grip retention device is plastic, and that is adjustable. So all these parts are warranted, lifetime warranty, factory from defects, or if any problems, Full Conceal will warranty that. They also take over the Glock warranty, so if any issues with the original factory parts, that's also covered.